Working on a PCB project and need to view the GBL file? This is the bottom copper layer definition for printed circuit board manufacturing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, inspect, and verify these Gerber bottom layer files. I call this the last resort solution for those GBL files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. GBL files are Gerber format files, specifically representing the bottom copper layer of a printed circuit board design. They contain vector artwork defining copper traces, pads, vias, and other conductive features on the PCB bottom side using the industry standard Gerber RS-274X format for PCB fabrication. Gerber GBL files use the RS-274X extended Gerber format with embedded aperture definitions and decode commands. The ASCII text format includes XY coordinate draw and flash commands using defined aperture shapes to describe copper geometry. The format supports positive and negative polarity layers with millimeter or inch units. If installed, your preferred program for GBL should be the Altium Designer application by Altium Limited. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read. Windows may show the code, but executing it requires the matching scripting tool. We must confirm application compatibility. Right-click your GBL file and choose Open With. Test Altium Designer if installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That often reveals the problem. If the GBL file won't budge, stay calm. We're skipping the panic and focusing on the facts. Let's quickly review the common technical reasons your system is reporting this specific GBL error. First, viewing in Gerber viewers. Open the GBL file in a free Gerber viewer, such as KiCad's Gerber Viewer or ViewPlot. Load the file to see the bottom copper layer artwork rendered with traces, pads, and vias displayed. Layer multiple Gerber files simultaneously to verify alignment between copper signal planes and solder mask layers. Next, inspecting in KiCad. Open KiCad's GerberView application and load the GBL file using File, then Open Gerber File. Add additional board layer files to build a complete PCB visualization. GerberView supports layer color assignment transparency controls and measurement tools for verifying trace widths, clearances, and pad dimensions. Finally, verifying for manufacturing. Before sending Gerber files to a PCB fabricator, load all board layers in a Gerber viewer and perform a visual inspection. Check for unconnected traces, correct pad sizes, proper clearances, and alignment registration marks. Use the viewer's measurement tools to verify critical dimensions, meet your PCB design specifications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.